Good morning, Amira. How are you, Khadija? I am fine. Where is that guy? Which guy? I mean DJ K-Man. And you were his DJ Playboy. Okay, I don't know where she went. You know DJ K-Man and Playboy made a new nice song. You forgot, now they're 3 in numbers, then ho. Okay, Osman Dioska. Okay, I know him. Amira, I want to resume back to my home. I understand, your problem, you are feeling hungry. Okay, thanks, I have to go. Khadija, nice to meet with you. Okay, thanks so much, but you know Kuro? I don't know him. Okay, have a nice day. One, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What is your problem?
Don't be disturb me.
What? Okay, I stopped.
Thank you.